topic about compound interest.
Question 1. A man has a piece of land with a market value 25,000 ringgit. He has two options: to sell the land now and invest in a scheme which offer an interest of 5.5% ringgit, or he has to sell after 4 years at 30,000 ringgit. What would you advise? The working is S equal P bracket 1 plus R over M bracket power of M times T. S equal 25,000 bracket 1 plus 0.055 over 12 bracket power of 12 times 4. So S equal 31,136 and 26 cents.
So, this man should sell the land now and invest in a scheme because he will get 31,136 ringgit and 26 cents rather than 33,000 ringgit that he will receive if he sells the land after 4 years, which is he will get a higher amount if he sells the land now.
Okay, as for the second question will be Yong deposited 800 ringgit into an account that charges 7% compounded semi-annually. Later, after 2.5 years, he added another deposit into the account. What will be the value of the second deposit if the account is worth 2,000 ringgit 3 years after the second deposit? T and the S. And you was also given the 7% percentage and the compounded semi-annually.
With all the information given, we are advisable to make a time frame. And then by using the compound interest formula, you substitute all the informations given. So it will be S equals to 800 in the bracket of 1 plus 0.07 over 2 power of 2 times 2.5. Because we are finding the new P after 2.5 years. And the new P will be 950 ringgit 50 cents. We are not done there yet because it was stated that after 2.5 years, Yong also added another deposit which will be the unknown amount that we labeled as X. Now you have to find the value of the second deposit. That will be 2,000 equals to X plus 950 ringgit 50 cents in the bracket of 1 plus 0.07 over 2 power of 2 times 3. After all the calculation, you should get 676 ringgit 85 cents as the second deposit value.
You don't understand this.
How?
How? I don't know. Lucas, Shazana, let's go.
Shazana, can you help us?
Yes, sure I can. This question. Which is question? Question 3.
Alright. This is the question. Question 3. Jeremy invests 2,000 ringgit into an account at an interest rate of 10% compounded quarterly. After 5 years, the account balance is 25,640 ringgit and 740 cents. Determine the A. Interest rate 3% compounded quarterly. B. Total amount of investment was extended for another 2 years. C. Total interest earned for 7 years. So, for this question, we need to find the variable that we want in this question. So, for 3A, we will use this formula and the working is like this.
Oh, we understand. To find the interest rate K.
What about 3B and 3C, Shazana?
That's easy, Zinira and Yasmin. My pleasure to explain to you guys about 3B and 3C.
Alright guys, for 3B, it will be easier for us if we draw the timeline first. Then we will calculate it using the same formula. But we need to use the new P. So then you will got the answer. For 3C, we need to find the total interest in 7 years. So we will use the formula interest equals to S minus P. Then you will get the answer.
Arisa. Yeah, that is our classmate. I like to go to see her. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Arisa, hi.
Hi. why do you look so frustrated?
Because of this question that Sir gave me, I don't understand.
Which question?
This question.
Let me read first, okay? Okay, this question is very easy. An executive trade his car for RM 24,000 and top it out with his saving of 6,000 to buy a new car. The new car is leased at 66,000 ringgit. He obtained a loan from a finance company to settle the balance of the purchase price. He has agreed to settle the loan by monthly payment to be made at the end of each month for 5 years. The interest on the loan is 30% compounded monthly.
Alright, so as for the first question, it asks find the monthly payment. How do we find that?
Oh, it's very easy. Let's see how to calculate. First of all, we need to plus his trade car and his saving, and then we need to subtract the lease price with the total that he have. In this case, we must use present value of annuity. We need to substitute the value that given in this question. And lastly, we got the answer for the monthly payment, which is 819.11 cents.
Oh, like that.
Alright, settle for question A. Arisa, do you know how to do question B?
I don't think I can do that one too. Do you mind to explain it to me?
Yeah, sure. Let me do it for you.
For the second part, we just need to multiply the monthly payment by 60 months and subtract to the total loan that he makes.
Oh, that's how to solve this question. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh no! How to do C?
I think I know how to find the answer for C. You wait here for a while.
This question is too tricky, I think.
Okay, I found my calculator already. I think here's the answer.
For this question, we know that the total time to settle the loan is 60 months. So we need to subtract 60 months with 50 months, and the balance of the loan is 10 months. This solution, we are able to use present value of annuity. We need to substitute all the information given, and we got the total balance of the loan that he should to settle immediately.
Okay, I think I'm already finished with the questions.
Hey, wait!
What?
I think there is another question.
Which one?
D, we need to find this answer.
Oh, I know.
Look at the lake. Last but not least, for this question, he postponed his debt payment from the first month to the 5th month. In 6 months, he wants to clear all the accumulated debt by using the formula future value of annuity.
That's great, Arisa. You already know the concept.
Yay!
Yasmin, I think for question number 5, this is chapter annuity. You are master in it, right? How to solve it?
Kinda. Let me read the question first. A factory paid a 50% down payment to buy a machine that costs RM 140,000. The factory will pay RM 50,000 at the end of each 6 months to repay the balance of the purchase price. The interest charge is 15% compounded semi-annually. Find the number of years needed for the balance to be paid in full.
For this question, the
So
factory
we
paid
need
for
to find
21,000
this
ringgit
right?
for the down
Yes.
payment. Then, we need to subtract the cost of the machine with the factory pay. Every 6 months, the factory should pay RM 15,000 ringgit with the interest charge 15% compounded semi-annually. In this question, we need to use formula future value of annuity. Then, substitute all the information given in the question. This question also use log because we want to calculate the number of years needed for the balance to be paid in full.